from each other. So I am going to discuss some differences to you people that will clearly explain the idea that differences cell membrane from plasma membrane. Cell membrane is the membrane that surrounds entire cell and all its components. Okay, वो membrane जो पूरे के पूरे सेल को सराउंड कर रही होती है उसे सेल मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं. ओके, लेकिन वो मेम्ब्रेन दैट सराउंड्स द इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गेनेल्स इनसाइड द सेल, लेकिन वो मेम्ब्रेन जो इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गेनेल्स को जो कि साइटोप्लाज्म में मौजूद होते हैं उन्हें सराउंड कर रही होती है उसे प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं. ओके, अगर सेल मेम्ब्रेन की बात करें तो it helps to control the tonicity of cytoplasm of the cell. ओके, क्योंकि इससे एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल्स होता है सेल मेम्ब्रेन से, सो टोनिसिटी कैन बी मेंटेन्ड with the help of cell membrane. Okay, but if we see plasma membrane, it doesn't help to control the tonicity of a cell. Okay, now discuss another difference between cell membrane and plasma membrane. In cell membrane, cilia can be present, allowing for the movement and feeding. Okay, cell membrane में चूँकि ये पूरे के पूरे सेल को कवर कर रही होती है तो इसमें सीलिया पाए जा सकते हैं जो कि एक सेल की मूवमेंट में इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं और these may also involved in the process of feeding. Okay, but in case of plasma membrane, cilia are not present. Okay, cilia are absent in plasma membrane. Okay, let's discuss another difference between cell membrane and plasma membrane, that is protection from invaders. As we know that cell membrane is the membrane that surrounds the whole cell, so it protects all the contents from pathogens and foreign invaders that want to enter the cell. It doesn't allow the foreign invaders to enter the cell if these are not required, or these are pathogenic, or these are disease causing or any hazard causing to the contents of the cell. Okay, but plasma membrane doesn't protect against foreign invaders. Okay, it doesn't have any role it doesn't have any role for protection of internal components of the cell from foreign invaders. Okay, another difference between cell membrane and plasma membrane is that cell membrane is always a first receiver and first step of the process, but plasma membrane is not always the first step of the process. Okay, this is an other important function, that is an important difference between cell membrane and plasma membrane. Okay, another vital and most important difference between cell membrane and plasma membrane is their role in cytokinesis. If we see cell membrane, it plays an important role in process of cytokinesis during cell division. Okay, but plasma membrane doesn't play any role in the process of cytokinesis during cell division. Okay, as we know that cell membrane is the membrane that is covering the whole contents of the cell, so it is a target for antimicrobials. Okay, it is a target for antimicrobials, but plasma membrane has no such thing related to the target of antimicrobials. So these were the some different differences between cell membrane and plasma membrane. I hope that this video will be useful for you people. For more videos, subscribe PakVideo.tv and press bell icon to get latest notification. Thank you so much.